Hey up, I'm Lex Dunn. I'm a personal trainer, musician, and video maker. And I believe everybody in the world should have the tools that they need to manage their own body shape. I think we should be taught this stuff in schools, but we're not. And a lot of people feel like their only option is to go to a person or a company to be given the secret or some product that's going to help them to look and feel the way that they want. My goal is to give anybody the tools that they need to manage their body shape for free. Firstly, whatever body weight you aspire to, you can get there by addressing your nutritional lifestyle alone. By combining that with the right kind of training, you can dramatically accelerate the process, bring numerous health and postural benefits, and help you achieve the body shape that you're going for. The video series that follows this will act as a guide for you to analyze, address, and adapt your current lifestyle into one that is consistent with your goals. If this sounds like something that would benefit you, please consider subscribing to the channel and hang tight for the next video.